Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. Last time we were out with the RV, we were boondocking. And of course, when you're boondocking, you want to pay close attention to your black tank and your gray tank. You know how important that is if you're an RVer. Anyway, while we were out, we went multiple days and the indicator only went up to 1/3, never went higher than that, and we knew it had to be higher than that. So came home, I flushed the tank out, looked everything over real well, dumped the black tank, flushed it out, sanitized it multiple times, drove it around with a half a tank, still the same result. Checked the sensors, everything is good, all the wiring was good. So I decided to go ahead and order a new control circuit board. And today I'm going to go ahead and replace it and we'll see what happens. Okay, so I'm going to show you the black tank is in fact full. You can see down there, there's the water. No, that's weird. You can see the water down there is completely full, which is not something you want to see in your toilet. But it's only showing 1/3 full. You can see that on the left. So I have purchased a new circuit board right here. I'm going to install that, see if that fixes the problem. I went through all the cleaning the tanks out and all of that, flushing them, and ended up with the same result. Nothing I did would change this black water level indicator, even though it showed full. So we'll see what happens. Now the first thing I do is shut the 12-volt power off. That panel is fed by 12-volt batteries. Here's the coach battery switch right here. See the green light shows that it's on. I push it to off. That way I don't have any arcs or damage when I take this panel off. So you can see here, no lights come on. That basically tells me there's no power there. So I'm okay to pull this panel off. Little black rubber washer here has to come off. And you can see there's some spacers underneath there. It's important to make sure that you don't lose those. And then here's that connector I need to take off. 4 screws out on each corner. Let it fall forward. There's the printed circuit board and a control board that I think is defective, so I will take these screws out, and then there's a connector down here. Remove that board, put the new one in, we'll see what happens. Okay, there's the connector, it just pulls straight off. There's no locks or any tricks to getting it off, just pull it straight off. It should make this totally free. There we go. That's the old circuit board. And then let me grab the new one. So we can do a comparison here, make sure we got the correct one. Part number L5131. 0 revision C, L513100 revision C. So it looks good. We'll see what happens. There's the new board connector snapped on. Now I'm getting ready to re-land it on the back of that board there. Okay, I have the new circuit board control installed on the back of this panel. Last screw going in. And now I'm ready for what I call the smoke test. If you put voltage to it and it doesn't smoke and the lights come on, we're good to go. I can turn the coach batteries back on. Green light's on. Now we can test the circuit board and make sure it works. You know, test levels. Yeah, that's what I like to see. You can see on the left there, the black water shows full, which is what I want because I've got it completely full of water. So this is a successful repair for me and I'm really happy. Thanks for watching.